Hello and welcome back guys. Today we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First take few parts of the hair and tie it together. Now make 4 sections of your hairs and then make the braids out of it as we are doing. Divide the hairs in equal sections, otherwise it won't look good. This hairstyle is good to go for medium to long hairs. Next we will make a beautiful hairstyle. First tie few hairs and then rotate it. Then take another few sections and then tie it on the other side and then rotate it. Then tie one more section of hairs on the another side as shown in the video. Follow the same process for one more time. Now pull the hairs from the tied hairs as shown in the video. This hairstyle is good to go for medium to long hairs. It's not that much of time taking and it's very easy. After pulling the hairs, we will tie the plaits of the rest of the hairs. Divide the hairs in equal sections. Now pull the hairs as shown in the video and then roll the plaits upwards and then fix it using a hairpin as we have done in this video, and your beautiful bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First take few parts of the hair and tie it and then rotate it. Now we will make 3 sections of the hairs. After take one part of the hairs and then put it on the another side as we are doing in this video. After that we will tie all the hairs and make plaits out of it. After that take the plaits and rotate it and fix it on the another side to make a bun, and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Take few hairs and then make plaits out of it. Then again take few hairs from the sides and make plaits out of it. Follow these steps until all the hairs are tied. Keep making the plaits. Take equal sections of the hairs, otherwise it won't look good. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. I hope you all are liking this video. After we have made the plaits, we will roll the hairs upwards slowly and carefully and fix it using a hairpin, and your beautiful bun is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Take few hairs and tie it and then rotate it. Now make 2 parts of the hairs and take one part and put it on the another side as we are doing in this video. After that we will make the plaits of the hairs. After making the plaits, we will fold the hairs. Fold the hairs very carefully and fix it on the other side using a hairpin, and your beautiful bun is ready. Now we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Take few hairs, tie it and rotate it. Now we will tie all the hairs as shown in the video. Now again tie the hairs leaving some part. After that we will fold the hairs to make a bun. Fold the hairs upwards and fix it using a hair clip, and then we will roll the leftover hairs from the top and fix them using a hairpin, and your beautiful bun is ready. Thanks for watching.